The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Pierce County in north-central North Dakota, northeastern McHenry County in north-central North Dakota, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rugby, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Rugby, Wilford, and Berwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.